once again, welcome back to my channel. So this video is about home decor haul, and the things that I would be showing you is from IKEA, Metalan and Wilko. So from these three places. So without wasting any time, let's dive deep into what I got for my home. Alright, so the first thing that I got is this white wicker basket storage unit. It's a 4 tier storage unit, and actually I have a same storage unit in brown color that I have placed in my washroom for storing all washroom stuff, and I wanted one in white color beside my dressing table for storing all my makeup stuff. So I got this one, and this one I got it from Wilko for £20. And lately, I have been liking everything made up of wicker. I have got so many wicker stuff that I might show you in my future videos, but at the moment, let's stick to this haul. So yeah, this one is from Wilko for £20, so I hope. And yeah, so how do you open this one? You just have to pull the storage box in this, and this is how it is inside, and you can just store anything in this box, store anything in this, and then put it back. So there are four of these. So yeah, and on my dressing table I did not have much space to store stuff, so I wanted one storage unit for my dressing, for storing my makeup stuff. And I saw many of the wooden storage unit, but I wasn't liking it because currently the wicker obsessions in the air. I mean, I don't know, I just wanted a wicker basket storage unit. So I found this one in Wilco and got it for myself. Moving on to the next thing that I got for my house are actually pair of these tea light holders. Okay, so you can just, there's a small latch over here, so you just have to open, and then you can place the tea light in it. And close this one. Yeah, you can just place a tea light in it, and you can just hang it somewhere, or if you don't want, you can just place it somewhere. uh, Maybe I'm gonna place it over the fireplace. This is really pretty. It's in silver color. I don't know, because of the brightness it's not showing it properly, but they are really cute. Earlier I was a big fan of these kind of tea light holders. Now they have become old. Now everywhere it's these kind of tea light holders. I've seen the same in IKEA, in Wilko, in Metalan. Like everywhere you can see these kind of tea light holders. And yes, I'm really happy with this purchase. All right, so I've got two of them. And the next thing that I got are the bunch of flowers. If you have seen my Primark haul, in that also you might have seen that I showed this flowers, this bunch of flowers. Like every time, I don't know, I think that soon I'm gonna turn my house into a botanical garden with artificial flowers, because every time I go I get so many flowers. Now these are the one with cream color and a light pink color. Yet I have not decided which vase I'm gonna use this for, but I have couple of them already which I got for my house. So I'll pick one from them. And yeah, like these are the flowers. And let me just show you, let me just show you why I'm saying that my house is gonna turn into a botanical garden. The next thing that I got is again a cute little copper. It's it's more of a rose gold color vase, and these flowers. Look at them. I mean, somehow because of the brightness, maybe these are not looking as pretty as they are in actual. But yeah, and this copper vase, so so cute. I mean, this copper vase is so beautiful. Even though I had like these, only because of this vase I got this. So because of this beautiful vase I got it. right, so moving on to next stuff is yet again a flower vase. Now these are peachy orchid flowers, artificial flowers, and they come in the silver square shape vase. Actually, I was looking out for a white orchid, but Wilco, they have two colors in it. One is this peachy color, and one is white color. I wanted white color, but the white color orchid were in cement pot, and I didn't like that pot, so I chose this one. I wanted white orchid, but I wanted this pot, but over cement I wanted to choose this one, so I got this peachy orchid for myself. And we'll see the next time if I get white orchid in these kind of pot, then definitely I'm gonna pick that as well. So yeah, these are really pretty, and the vase. Right, so moving on to the next thing is this wooden frame, and it says always find time for those you love. And actually I was looking out for a wooden hanging frame, but for that you have to do all the drilling and all, which I to be frank do not want. So that's why I got this one. And it's really thick, so you just can place it like this, or just lean it to any wall or something, and then you can just have that. So yeah, and one more thing, what I liked about this frame is when it's dark, it actually, the light is not visible. It's really bright, so that's why the light is not visible. But otherwise, if it is dark, it will look really beautiful, because the it'll look really bright. Yeah, yeah, do you see that a little bit? I think you can see that the light is on. So yeah, so this has a light in it, so in the night, also in the night when you're sleeping, you can just have this one beside your bed, and can keep it on the night time. It will look really beautiful, it will look really good. So this is how it looks in the night. It looks so beautiful. All right, so moving on to the final thing that I got for my house is I have already stored stuff in it, but this is not where it should go. This I got for my washroom, but I've just placed it for time being here. It's this hanging shelf. It has this hook. These are basically, to hang over the door, behind the door, or I mean in front of the door, wherever you want. So it's basically to hang over the door. Yeah, that's what over door storage basket it is called. This one I got from my washroom again. Why? Because I want shelves in my washroom, but I don't want to have the drilling thing going on. So that's why I got this one. I have a small wall. I have a wall partition. I have a wall partition in my washroom for the bathtub. I think maybe there I can place this one. I'm not sure yet. This would fit in, but I've just got it because I seriously am looking out for a shelf for my washroom, and it's been I think quite a while. I'm just thinking to have a shelf, and only because I just don't want to drill a hole for that. I was just looking out for something like this for my washroom. So we'll see that if this fits in. If not, then I'm really going to feel bad. All right, so these were the stuff that I got for my house. So am I missing on something? Oh yeah, and last thing, last but not the least, is this pillow, gray color pillow, that the gray color cushion I got. Why? There's a reason again. Because I have, if let me show you. So I have a pink cushion and a black cushion. So I wanted a gray cushion to match these color. So that's why I got this gray color cushion from Wilco. So they have a pattern in front and that's plain at the back. So yeah, they are going really well. If you see the color, they are actually going really well. Gray, pink, black, and pink. All right, so these were the stuff that I got from my house. And if you liked anything in it, do let me know. Share it in the comment section below. And if you want to know anything about any of the stuff that I got, then share it in the comment section below, and I would really be happy to help you guys. And yeah, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're a first time visitor to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon in order to get all the latest updates. And yeah, so let's meet again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.